Hello, I'm Timothy with Cozy Happy Family, and we're working on a project today of cleaning our storage shed.
Awesome. So we were talking about this and this whole concept of how do you start a project when you have a little bit of resistance coming up, or you look at something that feels a little overwhelming. What got you motivated to start today?
Well, we moved in here like 3 months ago and this has been kind of a daunting project. We knew we wanted to tackle. The storage shed was filled with other people's junk from before we moved in here, and it's kind of unusable right now, and I'd like to make it usable. There's always seemed like there's other things that I'd rather do in the house or with my time, but not do this project. So it was really just a question from you, my love, like, what do you want to do with a few hours this morning? And I said I'd like to start tackling this project. I feel like I work best with a deadline or in a group of people. So even though none of my Cozy Happy family are physically helping me right now, your support with just asking me how to start was good.
Oh, awesome.
And I feel like I can use the support of the whole group of you on Instagram to have people I check in with. You can be my support team doing this project with me.
Good. So now you have like hundreds, thousands maybe of accountability partners. So this is going to be the Shed Challenge. And if anybody out there has a project that you want to do and you want to join us as we are tackling our shed, please do, and you can post pictures and comments on Cozy Happy Family. All right, so what's the first step here?
First, I just wanted to kind of pull everything out of the shed and just see what it looks like. You take a peek in here.
Wow.
It's filled with a lot of junk. Some of it's ours, but most of it is not ours.
Okay, we got some insulation.
A lot of the plywood has fallen down. The insulation has come out. There have been rats that have been nesting in here.
Oh,
so
lovely.
There's a lot of rat droppings.
I see some rat poop.
And they've probably made some nests in here. I haven't actually seen a rat, but it's clear that they were in here. So
how are you protecting yourself with the toxicity from the rats?
I'm going to be using one of my N95 masks and gloves. Okay, great. I'm just pulling things out little by little, and the plywood's been taken off the floor, and we need to put new plywood down there. I think maybe the first step got.
Hi, Raphael.
Hi. So that's where
are you the overseer of the project? Okay, good. All right, so this is first phase. We look forward to seeing how this project evolves, and I'm so glad that you have all your friends working with you on this shed project.
Thank you all.
All right.